Welcome to this essential guide on investing fundamentals. Today, we will explore the core concepts that form the bedrock of successful financial growth. Understanding these principles is not just beneficial, it is crucial for anyone looking to build lasting wealth. At its heart, investing is the act of allocating resources, typically money, with the expectation of generating future income or profit. You are essentially putting your money to work for you, rather than letting it sit idle. This strategic deployment of capital aims for growth over time. The primary purpose of investing is to build wealth and achieve your long-term financial goals. Whether you dream of buying a home, funding your education, retiring comfortably, or leaving a legacy, investing is a powerful tool to help you get there. It helps your money combat inflation and grow beyond what traditional savings accounts offer. To succeed in the world of investing, it requires more than just capital. It demands understanding. You need to grasp fundamental principles and learn how to navigate the inherent complexities of the market. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions that align with your personal financial journey. One of the most critical first steps in investing is understanding your personal risk tolerance. This refers to your ability and willingness to withstand potential losses in your investments. It's about how comfortable you are with the idea that your portfolio might decrease in value before it grows. Several factors influence your individual risk tolerance. Your age plays a significant role, as does the nature of your financial goals and even your personal temperament. Someone nearing retirement typically has a different outlook than a young professional just starting their career. Your risk tolerance directly impacts the investment choices you make. A younger investor, often with a longer time horizon, might be comfortable with higher risk investments. They have more time for the market to recover from downturns, allowing for potentially greater long-term returns. Conversely, an older investor nearing retirement typically prioritizes lower risk options, such as bonds or certificates of deposit. Their focus shifts from aggressive growth to capital preservation, ensuring their nest egg is protected as they prepare to live off their investments. Matching your investments to your risk tolerance is key to maintaining peace of mind and staying disciplined. Diversification is a cornerstone of prudent investing, often described as not putting all your eggs in one basket. It means spreading your investments across various assets rather than concentrating them in a single area. This strategy aims to reduce overall portfolio risk. The scope of spreading your investments is broad. It involves allocating capital across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Additionally, it means investing across different industries and even across different geographic regions. This wide distribution helps cushion your portfolio against sector-specific or regional downturns. The primary goal of diversification is to mitigate risk. By spreading your investments, you reduce the impact that any single investment performing poorly might have on your entire portfolio. If one asset class or industry experiences a downturn, others may perform well, balancing out the losses. The mechanism behind diversification is simple yet powerful. It reduces the likelihood of catastrophic losses. A well-diversified portfolio might include a mix of stocks, which offer growth potential, along with bonds for stability, real estate for tangible asset exposure, and perhaps even commodities. This blend creates a more resilient investment strategy. Your time horizon defines the length of time you plan to hold your investments before needing access to the funds. This crucial factor significantly influences the types of investments you should consider and the level of risk you can comfortably take. It's essentially how long you have for your money to grow. A longer time horizon offers several distinct advantages. It provides more time for your investments to compound and grow significantly. It also gives you more opportunity to recover from market downturns, allowing temporary losses to become long-term gains. With a longer time horizon, you can generally allow for potentially higher returns by taking on more risk. Younger investors with decades until retirement can often ride out market volatility because they have time on their side. This allows them to invest in growth-oriented assets that might fluctuate more in the short term. Conversely, a shorter time horizon necessitates a more conservative approach. If you need your money in a few years, perhaps for a down payment or college tuition, protecting your capital becomes the primary focus. You would likely choose less volatile investments that preserve your principal, even if they offer lower potential returns. Becoming familiar with various investment vehicles is essential for making informed decisions. Each option has unique characteristics, offering different levels of risk and potential reward. Knowing these differences allows you to construct a portfolio tailored to your goals. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder, meaning you own a tiny piece of that business. The potential benefits include capital appreciation, where your shares increase in value, and dividends, which are regular payments from company profits. Bonds are essentially loans you make to governments or corporations. In return for your loan, the issuer promises to pay you back the principal amount at a specific future date, along with regular interest payments. Bonds are often considered less risky than stocks and provide a fixed income stream. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, offer diversified portfolios managed by professionals. Instead of buying individual stocks or bonds, you invest in a fund that holds many different assets. This provides instant diversification and expert management, making them popular choices for many investors. Real estate involves owning physical property, such as residential homes, commercial buildings, or land. It is a tangible asset that can provide potential benefits like rental income from tenants and appreciation in property value over time. Real estate investments can be direct or indirect through real estate investment trusts. It's important to remember that each investment vehicle carries its own unique set of risks and rewards. Stocks can offer high growth but also significant volatility. Bonds provide stability but typically lower returns. Real estate can be illiquid but offer long-term appreciation. Understanding these trade-offs is crucial. Research and due diligence are paramount before you invest in anything. Never invest in something you don't fully understand. Thorough research helps you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes, protecting your hard-earned money. Key aspects to understand before investing include the underlying asset itself. What does the company do? How does the bond issuer generate revenue? What factors influence real estate values? You must also identify the potential risks involved and review historical performance, though past results do not guarantee future outcomes. There are several effective methods for conducting research. This includes reading company reports such as annual filings to understand their financial health and business strategy. Analyzing market trends helps you gauge the broader economic environment. For complex decisions, consulting with qualified financial advisors can provide valuable insights and guidance tailored to your situation. We have covered the fundamental principles that are indispensable for any aspiring investor. These include understanding your personal risk tolerance, recognizing the power of diversification, appreciating the influence of your time horizon, familiarizing yourself with different investment vehicles, and committing to thorough research and due diligence. Mastering these core concepts provides a solid foundation for informed investment decisions. It equips you with the knowledge and confidence to build a portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and personal comfort levels. This foundational understanding is key to navigating the investment landscape successfully and achieving your financial aspirations over the long term.